Okay, we're back again with a live stream, ReactCon 2025 Day 2, and we have Tanner here from TanStack with us, also having a talk later today, so stay tuned for that. And Tanner, we have a few questions for you today, and we'll just get started, but before that, you want to share anything about your upcoming talk or anything like that?
Probably won't come as a surprise to most people. I'm going to talk very briefly about TanStack Start.
Okay.
We'll have a live demo, and then we'll be done.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Look forward to that, folks. Stay tuned later on the live stream. And TanStack Start has recently shipped a 1.0 release candidate.
Release candidate.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Congrats on that. Congrats on that. We're still not 1.0 in React Native, so I know how that's like. And for those not yet familiar with TanStack, how is TanStack approaching building React apps?
We take a client-side first approach,
Okay.
which may feel familiar to people who have been doing applications for a long time, maybe 5 to 10 years.
Right.
But it might feel different if you recently got into building React apps with, say, a tool like Next.js or Remix or React Router v7, which are both very server-first approaches to building applications. So we take a client-side first approach. It's a SPA-like approach, an SPA.
Yeah, cool. And do you see this as an antidote to over-abstracted frameworks or as a complement?
Kind of both.
Okay.
You know, obviously we're trying to solve pain points that we see with server-first frameworks like those that are out there right now.
Yeah.
But also, we're not trying to solve every single problem. So there are definitely use cases and situations where you'd want to reach for one and not the other, and vice versa. Yeah, we definitely want to just be a critical but complementary part of the ecosystem.
Okay, I like that. Criticism is always good. Which TanStack project changed the way you think about software development the most?
Oh, probably my router, TanStack router.
Okay.
And the one before it, React Location, which was not a type-safe router, but routing is deceptively difficult.
Yeah.
It really breaks your brain in some places. And having to add TypeScript, type safety to a router was probably one of the most difficult mental adventures I have had in my life.
Right.
So, yeah, it changed a lot of the way that I look at software.
Okay. Do you think the future of front-end development belongs to frameworks or to composable libraries like TanStack?
I would say, why do we think about those two things differently?
Yeah, good answer.
Yeah,
I like
that's
that.
my answer.
Cool. Now, I'm ashamed to say, but I've only today realized that TanStack is Tanner Stack, or
Yeah.
okay.
Do you want the
Please.
background on that?
Give me the background.
Sean Wang. Do you know Sean Wang?
No.
He goes by Swix.
Okay. Oh yeah.
He's actually here.
Oh, cool.
Many years ago at React Rally in Utah, that's where I'm from.
Yeah.
He started calling me TanStack. And it's funny because I needed an umbrella name because React Query was becoming more than just React. It was moving into other frameworks.
Sure.
And so I didn't want to have Vue Query and Svelte Query and all these other queries.
Yeah.
So he said, well, you should call it TanStack. And I said,
Okay.
that sounds like a terrible idea.
Well.
Very egotistical. I did not want to do it. And he started introducing me to people at the conference as TanStack as a
Okay.
joke. I went home that night and I did a lot of SEO research on TanStack, and it turns out, from a technical standpoint, it was a great brand name. So, and that's worked out so far.
Awesome. I love that story.
Yeah.
That's great.
So we have great SEO, and maybe a couple of people think I'm some egotistical maniac, but at the end of the day, it worked out.
Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, last question.
Sure.
Favorite React feature of all times?
Oh, this one's going to be controversial, but I really like use effect.
Oh, whoa.
Everybody likes to hate on it.
Yeah.
I think that's because it's extremely powerful and misunderstood, and that doesn't mean you should use it all the time. But I mean, all of the cool stuff that we've done with React Query and routing, and a lot of the cool features that we have are because of use effect. We wouldn't be able to do it without side effects. They have to exist.
Yeah.
So I guess it's my favorite feature because I have a lot of dangerous respect for it.
Oh, yeah. Definitely. Cool. Well, Tanner, thank you so much for joining us today, answering our questions. I love the name story. Looking forward to hearing your talk and seeing the demo later today. And thank you so much for joining us again.
Thank you.
Thanks. And folks at home, thank you for sending us questions. Please stay tuned for the rest of the conference and the other talks that are coming up. And a big thank you to Mux for sponsoring and helping us power this live stream, mux.com. Check it out. We're all going to go for lunch now. I'll see you all later.